Everyone's talking about the oil shock hitting America. You've probably seen the videos. Here's the thing, we're not going to react to a headline. We're going to run it through the same AI trading office we use on our own money with live data and tell you exactly what we see and what we do. Right now the tape looks like this. VIX 15, 32 oil 87, 36 SPY 756, 48 gold 417, 12 BTC 73,538, 2,891 DXY 98, 942. Let's get into it. Before any take on the oil shock hitting America, you anchor to reality. Our live regime read: VIX 15, 32 oil 87, 36 SPY 756, 48 gold 417, 12 BTC 73,538, 2,891 DXY 98, 942. That's the ground we stand on. Our original angle here. What an oil spike actually does to the approach. The inviolable CSB red rule above some cash energy beneficiaries we track, and the defensive tranche plan our playbook's prescript. Here's how our Tom Lee Capital Flow desk frames the oil shock hitting America, which themes are embryonic vs late/blow-off, where the capex money is flowing next. We're not parroting anyone. This is the lens we already run in-house every day, applied to today's question. Here's how our Paul Tudor Jones chart desk frames the oil shock hitting America. Price action over narrative, above or below the 200 MA, breadth confirming or betraying. We're not parroting anyone. This is the lens we already run in-house every day, applied to today's question. Here's how our Stan Druckenmiller macro sizing desk frames the oil shock hitting America. Top down. Given the curve Fed VIX DXY, how much of the book should be on right now? We're not parroting anyone. This is the lens we already run in-house every day, applied to today's question. Here's how our Mike Burry fragility desk frames the oil shock hitting America. What assumption is everyone making that, if wrong, breaks this, focused on the leveraged names? We're not parroting anyone. This is the lens we already run in-house every day, applied to today's question. Talk is cheap, so here's what we're actually doing the approach on this theme. Exact plans, strikes, take profit and stop levels. SBUC CSB strike equals 90. Zero expiry equals 2026-07-10. Take profit equals buy to close at 50% of the credit rule #10. Never hold to expiry. NKE sell CSB strike equals 44. Zero expiry equals 2026-07-02. Take profit equals buy to close at sum cash, 50% of the sum cash credit, rule #10. Hood sell CSB strike equals 81. Zero expiry equals 2026-07-02. Take profit equals buy to close at sum cash, 50% of the sum cash credit, rule #10. Iron sell CSB strike equals 60. Zero expiry equals 2026-07-02. Take profit equals buy to close at sum cash, 50% of the sum cash credit, rule #10. ANIT BUY theme take profit equals trim 25% at plus 25% and trail a stop on the rest, rule #5. That's our original read on the oil shock hitting America, built entirely from our own data and our own desks, not anyone else's script. If you want the live trade plans the moment they fire, the whole office posts them in our Discord. https://discord. gg/r47rzgm. Educational only, not financial advice.